You ready? So I just realized the front of this is looking pretty sad. The body's pretty sideways, or this is sideways, or this is completely twisted or something. Oh, it's broken. Oh, that makes sense. There we go. It's safe to say that the fast one, the Traxxas Hoss, is completely beat up. With that being said, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna drive the fast one, huh? All right, buddy.
All right.
I better not make Liam mad, and I better let him turn it on. I took that little cover off, that mesh cover, because it's the absolute worst. I hated it, and I guess we're just gonna let everything get all dirty. It's not like it helped much anyway. It rained since the last time we were here in the last video that we did with the Hoss, so it won't be as dusty, so that's good. Give it a push, bud. We got a full battery. I changed the shock oil in the shocks, so hopefully it's not gonna be sagging as bad. That's one thing we do have going for us today. Well, this thing needs a full makeover, that's for sure. Oh yeah, so much better with that shock oil. Oh yeah, it's running so good over those bumps. Should have done this forever ago. Just gliding. Whoa! Go for it, buddy. Oh, that was violent. Oh! Oh no! That was actually pretty awesome. I hit the brake, which I shouldn't have, but we could probably send it off that. We could probably clear that whole thing. Oh no, is Liam gonna climb? We are gonna be messy. Buddy, I need you to do this for me. You got this. Oh, we're gonna send it. And that's some soft stuff, so we're just gonna launch. You can do it. Yeah. Is there something in your shoe? I'll help you in a minute. I'll help you. You just go fix it. Nice. Oh, we're gonna send it, boys and girls. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
That's a jump.
Yeah, we jumped it. I want to get some... Oh!
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
I did. You ready, bud?
I did.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do it. Whoa.
Yes.
Hey, Dad.
Oh! It went over the other side. Okay, okay, that didn't work out. Oh, I should have hit the brake. Oh! Liam! Did you see that? Oh, well, flipped. Yes! Got it at the last minute. It's good, buddy. Here we come.
Here we come.
Can you fix it? Yeah! Woo! Maybe if I just try it from like here and actually see what I'm doing, I'll be able to control it much better. So let's set it up. Okay, I hit the worst possible spot. Buddy, who are you sliding? I had to take a phone call. Someone just called about my motorcycle. Oh, I better keep that a secret. I haven't exposed my plans yet.
You wanna jump?
Oh yeah, I want to jump. I don't know where it is. There it is. Let's do it, bud. Oh! Let's try this big one. I don't know if it'll... Oh! Oh! We gotta go fix it. Good job, buddy. All right, let's go. Oh, that looks cool. Oh! Oh, that was awesome, dude. Oh, my camera. I almost reached my camera. Woohoo! Yeah, I did. Oh! Oh! Whoa! That was cool, huh, buddy? Uh-oh. We've lost some power. The power's been cut substantially. What is going on in here?
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
What is burning on?
The fan came off. And that's blinking red. Ow! It's hot! Well, I think this is overheating. The motor's probably not overheating. I put some Velcro on here because this thing's completely broken off and that didn't work. The electronic speed control is extremely hot. Let's get this fan on there and let it run a minute. It's probably just the fan's been off of it and it's like, no more, please. That was awesome though. Got some cool shots. Buddy, was that awesome?
Yeah, so.
Oh look, it went back green. It cooled down enough. It's probably gonna be mad at me. Should we do a few more, buddy? Looks like it's gonna let us. Ow! Oh, look at your hands. You are messy. Yeah. Mom's gonna be happy with me. Look at you.
Hey, Dad.
I hope that stays in there, buddy, but probably not because we are jumping this thing. Oh my heck. It's all jacked up in here.
Dad.
What?
We want to see you jump.
Want to see a jump?
Jump.
Oh, heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Let's try a few more and then we'll get out of here. It's getting dark. Let's do it. Push it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna end up hitting my camera. Liam, will you go fix it? If I hit that camera, that's gonna be a bad day. Yeah! Yes! That was a good one. Yeah! Yeah, Liam, woohoo! That's not good. Oh no! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo, buddy! Liam! That one was awesome!
That was awesome.
Maybe we should come up from the backside.
Next time.
Nope, not happening. Oh! Oh, that was violent. That one's gotta mess something up in there. Uh-oh. Go fix it. Come on, we need one more big jump before it gets too dark. Let's go for it, buddy. All or nothing. Why? All right, that was pretty cool. Yikes. One more clean jump and we're out of here. Oh, come on. Oh, I messed that one up. No more. No more. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's completely smashed. All right, I think we need to do a checkup here. Oh, sorry. At least the fan's still on. Oh, this piece is not even sticking anymore. All right, we're gonna call it. Let's call it, buddy, before we break it. That was awesome. Let's go do some speed runs.
Speed run.
Let's go fast.
Let's go fast.
Go do some Baja. Can you say Baja? Haha. I gotta give it to Traxxas though. These things are extremely durable. Like, just watch any of my videos. I have been very impressed with this. I could just go get another one and use this one for parts and be completely happy. Because me and Liam have had lots of fun, huh, buddy? Let's do some Baja. Let's see if this thing can go fast. I can't just Baja when there's so much cool jumping I can do, though. Well, that was cool. Oh, let's hydroplane through that puddle. Woo! No more. Please. Yes. Woohoo! What do you want, Liam? Jumps, fast, or donut? Fast?
Fast.
All right. How about this? That was pretty fast. Uh-oh. It just completely shut off. Liam, let's go see what happened.
We go see what happened.
How you gonna come down? Woo, the butt scoot. Liam and I weren't bred to be in the city. Huh, buddy? We were bred to be out and get dirty. Uh-oh, I told you no more. Liam, let's see what's happening in there. I think we're gonna call it, buddy. Yeah, we're just gonna say we're done. Who knows what's going on. All right.
All right.
That was awesome. Hey, the speed control stayed. That's a plus.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe and hit the like button.
High five, buddy. Yeah.